Hey guys, today we'll be making buttery flaky scones. In a bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder and baking soda and mix well. Add your butter in small pieces and use the back of a fork to mix it in. You want this mixture to resemble breadcrumbs, but not very fine breadcrumbs. Set the mixture aside and in a separate bowl, combine your egg with your buttermilk and vanilla. And if this mixture begins to curdle, that's alright. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients till it forms a nice soft ball of dough. And if you don't use all your wet ingredients, that's okay. Use your hand to knead this mixture and bring everything together. Then transfer to a lightly floured surface. And just knead it for a few seconds. Pat it out into a disc shape and use a rolling pin to roll to a 1 cm thickness. Use a scone cutter to cut out scones and place on a greased baking tray. Brush the tops with some milk and place in a 180-degree oven for 20 minutes. Transfer to a cooling rack and enjoy!